too wavy. Oh my god, it's so fun. Wait. Go to go. What's this? I'm getting tired. So yun guys, nandito kami ngayon sa kabilang island. I don't know what's the name of this island, you know? Lunch break daw. Nag-snorkeling kami doon kanina, hindi ako masyado nag-enjoy kasi maalon. Kaya umalis din kami agad. Bilis lang namin doon, wala pa nga. Not even 10 minutes na, we stayed there. Or more than 10 minutes. Huh? Okay. But I didn't really enjoy it. I drank a lot of seawater. So I decided to stay on the boat. Ngayon nandito na naman kami sa kabilang island. So ito yung lunch. Ito yung table namin. Ito yung pinaka-lunch area nila. Yan. Ito yung pier. Dito yung ganda ng dito. Yan guys, oh. A very tiny island. Maliit lang siya, maliit lang na beach. Gusto niyo yung dagat. Ayan. Naano kasi yung ko, tawag dito. Yung GoPro ko hindi gumana. Kaya back to cellphone ako. So yan. Lagay ko lang to dito para makita yung lunch namin. Ayan. You okay there? So pag na-serve na guys yung lunch namin, babalik ako. So I'm gonna go swimming guys. You hand me that. Lunch time na. Kayo ayaw nyo? Kayo. Okay. Thank you. Very intimate. Yes, I can put my camera here then.
Melon is a lot nicer than the one I've got.
Yeah. Yan. So guys, kakain na kami. Ito yung pagkain namin. Yan. Dalawa lang kami kakain yan. Yan. Sarap ng ano. Seafoods. Lechon? Oh yeah. That's not lechon.
There's not lechon kebab.
Okay guys, kain tayo. Ano ba yan? Yan. Magharap ko na lang dito. Enjoy natin muna. Actually, maaga pa. Ano oras pa lang. Pero never mind. Mainit na rin kasi. Marco, di man pala mansi. Put in here, yeah? Guys, kalamansi. Asim. Oh my God, ang sarap.
So much for two people.
I can eat them all. Do you want squid? You don't want the head, do you? Kain tayo, guys. Ang sarap. Sarap kumain, tapos makikita nyo yung, ay, naririnig nyo yung ano, tawag ito yung wave.
Tired, man. Swimming.
I'm gonna go to the other island.
Yeah.
We eat this because we're not gonna have dinner. Yeah?
We will.
Why?
Be hungry later.
I don't think I will. This is my lunch and dinner. Why are you only eating fruit?
I like fruit.
It's trying to be 60.
No chance of that.
Dapat 60 yung isa, kaya prutas lang kinakain.